So in this video I will show you how to restore this arrow F-01f if you have forgot the pattern or anything, or if you want to make so first of all you have to press this power button to power off your phone. Okay, after that you have to use this button, power button, and volume down button. So when your mobile is completely switched off, press this fingerprint button, this power button, and the volume down button all together. I will try to do it with one hand because I'm holding my phone with the other hand. So press it together, and when the logos appear, release the power button and keep holding the fingerprint button and the volume down button until you receive you have to wait in this black screen, because after this you will see this menu, and you have to use the volume up and down button to select factory reset. You have to select the factory data reset and press power to okay, see, then yes, and like this your arrow F-01f phone will restored, and you will no more get that pattern or forgettable password. So that's all, and thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thanks.